Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best halogen chandelier light on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Foroureyes G9 Halogen Chandelier Light. Foroureyes G9 Halogen Chandelier Light is the perfect LED light source choice for you. These LED bulbs are specially designed to last up to 25,000 hours. Foroureyes G9 Halogen Chandelier Light is a universal LED replacement bulb. It can replace any other old bulb with same socket and same base. They are perfect for living room, bedroom, kitchen, office, hotel or any other place. This will replace your old halogen bulbs and help you reduce your power bill. Equipped with unique and advanced SMD LED chip, it is bright and soft with no flickering. The light's beam angle is 360 degrees. Equipped with built-in fan, it is more stable and has better heat dissipation. These designed bulbs can lower the temperature, they are safer and will not be damaged when the power is cut off. This bulb is very easy to install. Just plug and play, works with all types of dimmers. It's an ideal choice for your home, hotel, restaurant and other places. Number 4. ANBLUB Halogen Chandelier Light. ANBLUB Halogen Chandelier Light is a 4-pack of G9 SMD 2835 fluorescent model replacement LED corn light bulbs. These high-quality LED corn light bulbs are ideal for illuminating chandeliers and light fixtures, providing safety and energy-efficient functions to your property. These bulbs work perfectly for replacing all types of 4-pin incandescent corn light bulbs, including G9, G4, and G12, which add a warm and natural light to any chandelier. ANBLUB Halogen Chandelier Light is also fitted with easy-to-use LED drivers, offering convenience. In traditional bulbs, the energy is transmitted by heating a wire which in return heats up the glass enclosure. It takes some time before the glass enclosure gets hot enough to produce light. They get heated immediately. No filament is required in these bulbs, which reduces the energy consumption significantly. They also last longer and use a lot less energy than the conventional incandescent bulbs. Number 3. Celten G4 Halogen Chandelier Light. Celten G4 Halogen Chandelier Light pack of 1050W LED light bulbs is a smart choice for home lighting solutions. It is easy to install and no installation tools are required. These LED bulbs are good replacements for traditional incandescent bulbs and are specially designed for home lighting. The light bulbs have a long lifespan of more than 40,000 hours, consume less power and save more energy. They make low heat and add no UV, IR or dark light radiations. These LED bulbs are available in various sizes and are suitable for home, restaurant, office, kitchen or any other place where traditional bulbs are used. These LED bulbs don't just make environment-conscious consumers happy, but are a smart choice for the frugal buyer. Compared to incandescent light bulbs, G4 Halogen Chandelier Light is up to 85% more energy efficient. So if you care about your personal carbon footprint, these energy-efficient bulbs are a great way to start. Number 2. YNL Halogen Chandelier Light. YNL Halogen Chandelier Light is a pack of 10 PCS lot cob LED G4 G9 E14 3W6W light bulb base C12V 220V LED lamp spotlight. Chandelier lighting replace 30W60W halogen lamps. They are easy to install and use. These LED light bulbs are good for indoor and outdoor seasons. With the newest technology, these LED bulbs have a long lifespan. With a low power consumption, it can save a lot of your electricity bills. It has a wide light range to suit for indoor and outdoor lighting. Built-in LED lights can also create a more comfortable indoor environment in comparison to traditional lighting. LED bulbs are also ideal for creating a relaxing ambience by setting the right mood. They are perfect for displaying a soft, warm light. For places like hotel lobbies and lounges, this can be beneficial in creating a welcoming atmosphere during the evening. Similarly, they can create a fun atmosphere in recreational spots like amusement parks and arcades. Moreover, they are a great way to display merchandise in commercial settings. You can also find a wide range of LED lights online. You can buy them online in bulk in a number of different options. Number 1. GAINLUMEN G4 Halogen Chandelier Light. The GAINLUMEN G4 Halogen Chandelier Light features high-quality G4 cob LEDs, delivering a lustrous natural-looking light that's great for indoor and outdoor use. The bulbs are dimmable, allowing you to adjust a brightness to perfectly suit your needs. GEILUMEN G4 Halogen Chandelier Light can be used in table lamps, recessed fixtures, wall sconces, headboards, stair risers, chandeliers and outdoor garden lights. When we discovered these LED light bulbs, we were thrilled that these light bulbs provide all of the same light as the halogen light bulbs, yet use far less energy. This means that they don't require a large amount of energy to operate, and they will last an extremely long time, saving us a tremendous amount of money. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.